In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a watch list in TradingView Mobile. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open the app, then you want to go to the bottom left and tap on Watch List. And then from here, you can see all your watch lists. I have two of them, as you can see up top. The first one is called Test, and the second one is called Watch List. So I want to delete this one called Test. What you want to do, as you can see top left, there's the three lines, not three dots, but three lines. So you want to tap on those three lines. And then from here, it's going to give you basically the list of your lists or watch lists. Now, right now, I'm on this test playlist, or not playlist, but watch list. So what you want to do is basically select a different one to the one you want to delete. Because if you are currently using the one you want to delete, you won't be able to actually delete it. So I'm going to tap on the watch list right now to actually, of course, utilize the watch list. Then I'm going to go to the three lines yet again, top left. And now when I've done that, I can go and hover over the test list, and there's a button saying remove. As you can see, if I hover over the watch list, which is selected, the remove button is not there. But if I hover over the one which is not selected, I can go and tap on remove, and there we go. I can tap on OK, and I'm good to go. I've successfully deleted a watch list in TradingView Mobile. Okay, again, make sure your watch list is not selected, and then long press delete, and you're good to go. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.